Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of God, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, brothers, sisters and friends. Today we are going to know about Prophet Alyas. Prophet Alyas was born in Baalbek when children of Israel started to move away from the shari'ah of Hazrat Sulaiman gradually. He was born about 9th century before the death of Hazrat Jesus. Prophet Alyas, his other name, also spelled Ilyas, was the descendant of Prophet Haroon. He was sent to guide the children of Israel to the truth and invite them towards Tawheed. Prophet Alyas is first mentioned as a prophet in surah Al-Anam and Zechariah of John and Jesus and Ilyas, and all work of the writers. Al-Anam, he is mentioned in many other Quranic ayahs. As well, his full name is Ilyas ibn Yasin, according to Islamic sources, as he is mentioned in the surah As-Saffat. The Prophethood of Ilyas began after the death of Prophet Sulaiman. After Sulaiman passed away, his kingdom was divided into two groups as Israel and Yahuda. Ahab was the new king of Israel. He was one of the most wicked ruler of Israel. He and his evil wife Jezebel began to build temples with idols and started worshipping an idol named Baal, which is said to be 36 meters tall with 4 faces. The whole kingdom fell into the trap of Shaitan and was misguided. They are all followed shirk, started worshipping idols, and did evil needs except a few. Those who refused to disobey the Prophet and Allah Almighty were severely tortured and punished to death. So friends, Prophet Alyas tried to best to call them to truth, forbade them from doing shirk, worshipping idols, and warned them from the torments of Allah Almighty. He tried hard to let them understand that they are idols and helpless and powerless. But disbelievers had no need to his teaching. Allah Almighty mentioned in Quran, whereas Ilyas was one of the opposital when he said to his people, will not fear God, will ye call upon Baal and leave the best of creators, God, your Lord and Creator, and the Lord and Creator of your father of old. Ilyas asked Allah Almighty for help and prayed to punish to the ignorance, and Allah Almighty answered his supplications. The whole kingdom of Ahab came under, brought the continue for 3 long years. People were dying and famine and were continuously praying to Baal for help. When nothing helped and people found themselves inflicted and dying due to starvation, themselves infected and dying due to starvation, they regretted their past deeds and asked Prophet Alyas to pray Allah Almighty for rain and end the drought. Prophet Alyas prayed, Allah Almighty accepted his prayers and it rained. People were relieved from unending drought and accepted the invitation of Alyas. However, People forget everything and continue with their disbelief and ideal worshipping. When Ilyas witnesses their ignorance, it is said that he asked Allah Almighty for his death of Allah, ascended him to seize on a chariot of fire. According to many Islamic sources and the Bible, Prophet Alyas is alive and ascended to skies. However, Ibn Kathir did not accept these hadiths and considered them among Israelites. In Mujam al-Buldan, Yaqut al-Hawam mentioned a grave for Ilyas in Baalbek. Allah knows best. Allah Hafiz.